best large 3D printers are designed for users who need expansive build volumes for bigger models, prototypes, and batch production. They combine strong frames, high precision, and reliable extrusion systems to handle complex, large-scale prints with ease. Ideal for professionals, makers, and businesses, these printers open up possibilities that standard-sized machines simply can't match. Starting at number 1. MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a reliable, education-focused 3D printer designed for fast, consistent PLA printing with minimal setup hassle. It offers a large 11.6 x 7.6 x 6.5 inch build volume, making it suitable for medium-sized models, classroom projects, and professional concept prototyping. With its factory-leveled flexible build plate and Smart Extruder Plus, it's built to deliver smooth, repeatable prints with less calibration effort, ideal for home, school, or lab environments. It's known for being easy to use, fast, and stable, with Wi-Fi connectivity, onboard camera monitoring, and MakerBot's guided software ecosystem. However, it's mainly optimized for PLA-based printing, and its closed system limits experimentation with other materials. Overall, it's a strong choice for users who prioritize simplicity, reliability, and classroom-ready performance over advanced customization. Number 2. Longer LK4 3D Printer. The Longer LK4 3D Printer is a beginner-friendly and budget-conscious FDM printer designed for users who want a simple yet capable entry into 3D printing. It comes 90% pre-assembled, making setup quick and easy, while its 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume is suitable for a wide range of small to medium projects. The printer features a 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive control, along with practical functions like filament runout detection and resume printing after power loss to reduce failed prints. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it offers improved stability and consistent print quality, and its heated bed ensures compatibility with common materials such as PLA and ABS. Overall, the LK4 is a reliable and user-friendly option for beginners and hobbyists looking for an affordable 3D printing solution with essential smart features. Number 3. JG Maker Large 3D Printer. The JG Maker A5S 3D printer is a large-format, semi-professional FDM printer designed for users who need a big build volume, solid metal frame, and reliable core printing features at an affordable level. With its spacious 305 by 305 by 320 mm print area, it allows you to create oversized models, functional prototypes, and multi-part projects without needing to split designs. It comes about 98% pre-assembled, making setup relatively easy even for beginners, while its sturdy all-metal frame helps improve stability during long prints. The printer includes practical features like resume printing after power loss, filament runout detection, and a touch-screen interface, which enhance convenience and reduce failed prints. Supporting common materials such as PLA and ABS with standard 1.75 mm filament, the A5S is suitable for hobbyists, educators, and makers who want a balance of large printing capacity and dependable performance without stepping into high-end industrial pricing. Number 4. Sovol SV06 ACE 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 ACE 3D printer is a high-speed, open-source FDM printer designed for users who want fast printing performance, modern automation, and strong material support in a compact desktop machine. It offers a 220 by 220 by 250 mm build volume and can reach speeds up to 600 mm per second, making it significantly faster than traditional bed-slinger printers. Powered by Clipper firmware, it features fully automatic bed leveling, vibration compensation, and one-click self-checks, which simplify setup and improve print reliability. The upgraded structure includes a more rigid frame, dual Z-axis stability, and a planetary dual-gear direct drive extruder with a high-temperature nozzle, allowing it to handle materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and even ABS with proper setup. It also includes smart features such as a built-in camera, OTA updates, and remote monitoring support, making it a strong choice for makers, hobbyists, and semi-professional users who want a balance of speed, precision, and customization flexibility. Number 5. FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. The FlashForge Creator Pro 3D printer is a well-built, enclosed FDM 3D printer designed for reliable dual extrusion printing with ABS and PLA materials, making it suitable for both beginners and semi-professional users who want consistent results. It features a sturdy metal frame and an enclosed acrylic chamber, which helps maintain stable temperatures for better ABS printing and reduces warping. With a build volume of approximately 8.9 by 5.9 by 5.9 inches, it is ideal for small to medium-sized prototypes and detailed models. The printer includes a dual extruder system for multicolor or multi-material printing, along with a warp-resistant aluminum build platform and solid Z-axis support for improved precision. Overall, the Creator Pro is known for its durability, stable performance, and ease of use, making it a trusted choice for schools, makers, and designers who want dependable results over high-speed experimental features.